On June 30, 2026, Google released two new AI models on the same day, and together they change how fast anyone can go from an idea to a finished image or video. The models are called Nano Banana 2 Lite and Gemini Omni Flash. This video breaks down what each model does, how they work together, and why this release matters for creators, marketers, and developers. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about Nano Banana 2 Lite, because this is the model built purely for speed. Nano Banana 2 Lite is Google's fastest and most cost-efficient image generation model in the Nano Banana family. Its actual model name is Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite Image, but Google is marketing it under the Nano Banana name because that brand has become well known. The numbers here are genuinely impressive. Nano Banana 2 Lite can generate a text-to-image output in about 4 seconds. And the cost is just 3.4 cents per 1,000 images. That pricing makes it viable to generate images at massive scale, whether that is thousands of product mockups, ad variations, or social media visuals. Google is positioning this model as a direct replacement for the original Nano Banana model, which is now considered legacy. If a developer is currently using the older model, Google says they can swap in Nano Banana 2 Lite immediately and see improvements across speed, quality, prompt following, and character consistency, without changing anything else in their code. The Nano Banana family now has 3 tiers. Nano Banana 2 Lite is the fastest, lowest cost option, built for high volume, high speed work. The base Nano Banana 2 model is the balanced, general purpose option. And Nano Banana Pro is the slowest but highest fidelity option, meant for complex, professional-grade image work. This tiered structure mirrors what we're seeing across the AI industry right now, where labs offer a fast, cheap option, a balanced option, and a premium option, rather than just one model for everyone. Now let's talk about the second release, Gemini Omni Flash, because this is where things get more interesting. Gemini Omni Flash is Google's model for video generation and conversational editing. It was first introduced at Google's developer conference, but June 30 marks the first time it became available to developers through the Gemini API and Google AI Studio. Here's what makes it different from a typical text-to-video model. Gemini Omni Flash accepts a combination of text, image, and video inputs, not just a single text prompt. And the editing is conversational, meaning a user can simply describe a change in plain language, like asking for a scene to be more cinematic, adding action, changing the camera movement, or touching up visual details. Google says the model leverages Gemini's multimodal reasoning and real-world knowledge to help build more coherent scenes, rather than generating video frame by frame with no understanding of context. At launch, video generations are capped at 10 seconds, with longer durations expected to follow. Pricing is 10 cents per second of video output, which matches the rate of Google's other fast video model, Veo 3.1 Fast. Now here's the part that actually changes creative workflows, chaining the two models together. A developer can use Nano Banana 2 Lite to generate a still image in about 4 seconds. Then, that image can be passed directly to Gemini Omni Flash as a reference, which animates it into a short video. Using something called the Interactions API, developers can maintain session history, allowing users to stack up to 3 sequential edits in a single session. This chained workflow changes the economics of testing creative concepts. Instead of paying for an expensive video generation on every single idea, teams can cheaply draft dozens of image concepts first, and only pay for video generation on the ones that are actually worth animating. Google built a few demo apps to show this in action. One app, called Anywhere, lets a user take a selfie or upload a photo, then instantly transports them to different landmarks using Nano Banana 2 Lite, and animates the background using Omni Flash. Another app, called Space Lift, turns a photo of a room into a full interior design concept, then animates it into a cinematic walkthrough. There's also an app called Omni Product Studio, which converts static product photos into short cinematic marketing videos, aimed squarely at e-commerce and advertising use cases. It's worth being clear about where Omni Flash currently has limitations, since it is still in public preview. Video generations are capped at 10 seconds for now. Uploading audio references is not yet supported. Scene extension isn't available yet either. And character consistency across scene changes or panning movements still has some rough edges that Google says it is actively improving. One more detail that matters for anyone thinking about trust and provenance: all content generated by both models is watermarked using SynthID, Google DeepMind's system for identifying AI-generated content. So what does this release tell us about where Google is headed? Both models are rolling out simultaneously to developer platforms and to consumer products, including AI mode in Search, the Gemini app, Notebook LM, Google Photos, Stitch, Google Flow, and Google Ads. That breadth of rollout shows Google treating fast, cheap generative media as core infrastructure across its entire product line, not as a standalone feature. For marketers and content creators, this pairing of a near-instant image model with an easy video animation model means creative iteration that used to take a professional editing team can now happen in a single conversational workflow. For developers, the real opportunity is building pipelines that chain these models together, generating at scale cheaply, and only spending on the outputs that are worth polishing further. That's Nano Banana 2 Lite and Gemini Omni Flash explained. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe for more tech deep dives, and I'll see you in the next video.